guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, The Posh Palette. If you are new to my YouTube channel, guys, my name is Rupali and I'm here to share my content with you all. Guys, today is my first makeup Nykaa haul which I'm sharing with you all. I have ordered some products from Nykaa and I was really very excited to share with you all what I have ordered. I have ordered lots of things and I think without wasting much of a time, let's get into the video. Guys, so my first product which I'm going to show is that actually I have heard lots of reviews and good reviews about that product. So I thought of why not order it and really see really it is nice or not. So I ordered a full range of Wanderlust French Lavender from Nykaa. This is the body lotion, this is the shower gel, or you can say body wash, and this is the fragrance mist. And really guys, I'm really mesmerized by the fragrance of this range. They have got many variants in this. They have, I think, French rose also. I thought of why not order lavender because I'm not a very big fan of rose smell, so you can say rose fragrances. So, but yeah, I have tried lavender fragrance from this for the very first time, and guys, literally it is really very nice. And the body lotion I have applied, it is really very nice. It is not at all sticky and I have not used it yet. I'll be using and will be sharing this review further in the next video. Guys, before moving forward, I really wanted to feel this bottle really very special because this is Wanderlust French Lavender Shower Gel and I'm imagining pouring this on my loofah and applying it on my body. Guys, I really wanted to give it a try actually because I have heard a lot about this, and actually some of the shower gels does not suit my body because बहुत itchy हो जाते हैं. But yeah, I really wanted to give this a try and see how does it work on my body. Now moving on to the next product. Guys, now talking about some hair care. So I have ordered shampoo and one conditioner from Nykaa Naturals. These both come in a combo also and separately also. This is Nykaa Naturals Onion and Fenugreek shampoo, and this is Onion and Fenugreek conditioner. If you buy separately, you will have to pay 400 and 400 for each, and if you buy it in a combo, I think you will save around 250 or 200 rupees. So guys, go and give it a try on a combo. And guys, you know that onion and fenugreek means pyaj or pyaz. Some people say pyaj and some people say pyaz, and fenugreek means methi. These two elements are really beneficial for your hair, for hair growth, conditioning, making your hair look shinier, healthier. So guys, these all products are there in shampoo and conditioner, and I think let's give it a try. Now moving on to the next product. So guys, now the most awaited product is again for hair, and this product is really very hyped product on Instagram, YouTube and on each and every platform. So this is L'Oreal Paris Dream Length No Haircut Cream. Everyone is using and I really wanted to use on my hair also. Today I have also used on my hair, and literally the ends of my hair, they are not looking rough, they are looking smooth and shiny. Guys, I used to have long hair and I cut short my hair last year, and I thought of why not using this and make my hair look more long and healthier. So we will be using more often and will be telling review in upcoming you can say videos or vlogs. Now moving on to the next product. Guys, now talking about some skincare. I cannot live without some sheet mask. I apply sheet mask on regular basis. So the pack of Garnier and L'Oreal sheet mask I have ordered from Nykaa. These are the combo of 5 sheet masks. In Garnier you have 5 sheet masks. They have different variants in one sheet mask, in one packet of actually. This is serum mask Hydra Bomb. This is black serum mask pure charcoal. This is Serum Mask Hydra Balm. This is green tea. And this is Milky Serum Mask Light Complete. Actually, this gives instant brightening milky serum mask, one tone brighter skin in just 15 minutes. And this is a serum mask Sakura White. This has got some sakura flowers extract. Now moving on to the L'Oreal Paris Ka mask. You have seen this bottle. I think this is most of the people are using right now as a face serum, or you can say toner. Usme jo essence, you can say the toner which is there in that bottle is the same in these masks. They actually say that the power of one essence bottle in one mask, the whole bottle, the power of whole bottle is there in just one mask. So why not give this a try? And yeah, this is all about masks. Moving on to the next product. So guys, now the product is this. This is Lakme Peach Milk Moisturizer SPF 24 PA++ UVA UVB for all skin types. I just wanted to try it, so I bought it, and let's see how this works on my skin. Now moving on to the next product. Now guys, talking about some makeup, which I'm really very excited to share with you all that what I bought. So the first thing which I bought from Nykaa is the Maybelline New York Super Stay 24 Hour Full Coverage Foundation in the shade 310 Sun Beige. And yeah, this gives you a very very full coverage on your face. Now talking about some dramatic eyes, this is mascara. I have ordered Maybelline New York ka The Falsies Lash Lift Hydrofuse and Waterproof Mascara. You can see the wand of this. This is the wand, and yeah, it gives you a falsies wala look on your eyelashes. The very first day when the parcel came, I applied it on my lashes, and yes guys, it gave me the falsies wala look. Now the most awaited thing which I was wondering how it will come is this Color Bar ka Spotlight Illuminating Lotion. I have not used it before. This is a substitute for MAC Strobe Cream. Actually, this is how it opens and this is how it closes. This is the Color Bar. Many people have already used this. This is again of 30 ml, and yeah, it gives you a pinkish and very shiny look on your face. Now moving on to the next product, guys. Now talking about some Swiss Beauty products, and yes guys, I have ordered 4 products from Swiss Beauty, obviously from Nykaa. So the first thing which I ordered is this eyeliner. So this is the eyeliner. You can see the tip. Actually, this says that a bold felt tip eyeliner from Swiss Beauty, which is jet black. I have applied it on my eyes, and when I was applying it on my eyes, I was feeling like it is flowing like a butter. Yes guys, this is my favorite from today onwards. Now moving on to the next product from Swiss Beauty. This is Baked Blusher and Highlighter, and literally I am in love with this product from Swiss Beauty. The packaging is super luxurious, and it is really very beautiful packaging. You can say it opens like this, and you can see the color, pinkish shades, and it gives you a beautiful finish on your cheeks, nose, wherever you want to apply it. So this I have bought from Swiss Beauty. Now talking about some highlight and bronzer palette, again from Swiss Beauty. So this is again the super beautiful luxurious packing from Swiss Beauty. They provide you beautiful packaging. Actually, I am a very big fan of packaging. I love beautiful packaging on my products. So this is the highlight, or you can say bronzer palette. I wanted to give you a swatch. See how pigmented this is. Now golden, if you are able to see, and this is here. You can see the pigment and how beautiful this is. So this is the bronzer and highlight palette. I don't have to tell you more about this. And now the last thing from Swiss Beauty is Ultra Base Concealer Palette. This is the outer covering. Let me open it. So this is again the same packaging पहले जैसे सबका, nice packaging. Now let me open. So these are the concealer and corrector shades. Orange वाला corrector होता है, and these are all the concealer shades according to your skin tone. So I thought of why not order it in a palette kind of a thing, and it has got a creamy base. So yeah guys, that's all today for today's video, or you can say my Nykaa haul. And if you want to buy any of the products, the link are there in the description box. You can go check it out and buy it. Guys, please take combos of shampoos. I really recommend you that, because if you take alag se na, so you have to pay a lot for that. So go for a combo, and for sheet mask also go for a combo. It will be a worth it product to buy. And guys, again I'm saying this is all for my video. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, which is very necessary. I am working very hard for you guys. And yeah, this is all. If you want to tell me what I should do next, write down in the comment section whether you liked it or not, or what you all want me to do next. And share this video as much as possible, and stay home, stay safe, take care, and double mask yourself, stay hydrated. I love you all.